Hello, this is Avni Bansal, a visual artist and a printmaker, a practicing visual artist and a printmaker. And I thank Mrinmoy Das for inviting me for this talk on meaning and medium an artist's perspective. I will be talking about my own point of views towards the same. For me, meaning means the intent of the expression being communicated by a visualizer to its audience and the same being interpreted by the viewers in accordance with their own developed vocabulary. It can be a representation of the aspects of the real world. It can be culturally specific, understandable to shared members of a given society. It is about how an artist observes its immediate surroundings, gets inspired by them, and how she or he responds and creates art from it, and how the audience responds to those visuals or forms, both emotionally, physically, and intellectually. It is meaning means those reactions, the feelings, the emotions that come out of an audience when they see a work of art. The audience may derive a meaning from a work of art totally dependent on their own interpretation of it. It can be direct or metaphorical, it can be representational or political, or an artist can create its own world as per their own language that they create eventually, or it can be purely practical or user oriented. Medium, an artist's perspective, a tangible way through which sensory impressions can be expressed in a transmittable form. Medium can range from visual arts to music to dance to performance or even writing and poetry, any way through which a creator can express his or her own thoughts. As per my understanding, both meaning and medium work coherently yet independently of each other in art practices. For me, both are dependent on two major factors, that is, availability and capability. Availability: an artist tends to use and pick up material for its self expression that are immediately available in his or her physical environment and mold it in such a way that it resonates with the artist's set of ideas, again, mostly influenced and reflecting the primary environments they live in. Capability: it really depends on the intellect of an individual artist, how well he or she is equipped to articulate and mold the ideas and understand the medium which are justifiable to communicate those ideas. Since I'm a visual artist and I have given the talk the title The Keech Indian, I will be giving examples of two Indian contemporary artists who have developed their practice in accordance with the Indian culture that they have learned from and lived in. The first one would be Subodh Gupta and the second would be N.S. Harsha. About Subodh Gupta, born and brought up in Bihar, his work showcases a sense of nostalgia, his memories of growing up in Bihar, in the rural area of Bihar. Many of his early works are made out of cow dung, a medium well suited to the Indian cultural context, especially rural India, where cow dung is a major source of energy and building material. His use of the medium to create huts and covering himself up for performance art is a metaphorical way of representing the practices being practiced by the Indians of rural India. His use of aluminium and steel utensils showcases the prominence of Indian culture again, creating works of art talking about consumerism and socio-political problems faced by Indians on global platform. He has reinvented the medium and meanings in his own artistic language. N.S. Harsha, born and brought up in Mysore, he has his own studio set up in Mysore only, where he creates huge canvases illustrating the traditional culture of South India. His works are figurative and long narrative drawings, stimulated by the habits, rituals, and daily human activities in the South Indian markets. Very individualistic in character, yet repeated like chants in a humorous way. He mostly chooses to paint or draw on canvases because of the narrative and the illustrative quality of his work, that he chooses to express his impressions of the society he lives in. He has been comparing the Indian history with his own history and his own experiences and amalgamating both of them to create his own language. Finally, I will be talking about an initiative, a project that I am personally working upon titled The Keech Indian. Being a printmaker, medium has always been a very important aspect of creating visuals in my art practice. Printmaking as a medium is not only laborious but also very engaging and experimental. It introduces you to the possibility of repeating one image multiple times and juxtaposing the same into various formations and environments, deviating it from its literal meaning. The Keech Indian is inspired by the kitsch movement in art, which celebrated the less important, sentimental, mediocre art. The literal meaning of kitsch is rubbish or the extra fat left aside by a butcher as a lump. The Keech Indian is inspired by the repetitive behaviors of Indian society that are appealing to the masses, which may not be as important to live a harmonious life, yet are prevalent and exist and are celebrated in Indian society. These behaviors can be in the form of repetitive rituals or objects with a repetitive motive. Example, the repeated ritual followed by millions of Indians of tying red thread or chunni while offering prayers to gods, the repetitive motives of pile, necklace, torrents or garlands. I create a single motive that is a complete work of art in itself, yet when repeated and placed again and again in a chain, changes its meaning to become objects inspired by the Indian culture. Lastly, I think art is an ongoing process and both meaning and medium definitely works independently in my practice to express myself. Thanks for inviting me to speak on the forum. I hope everyone is safe and utilizing the best of this COVID times. Thanks.